Today we are going to prepare barbecue, lamb ribs barbecue, and these are the ingredients. These are the lamb ribs directly from the supermarket. Then we have 3 cloves of garlic, 2 pieces of lemon, few cut pieces of spring onion, and then we have white pepper powder, black pepper seeds, and rock salt. You can use normal salt. This is cinnamon powder, barbecue powder, and then we have oil. We are using mustard oil, but you can use canola oil or any healthy oil.
Oil, why put oil? Oil is hold the water of the moisture of the meat.
Yeah. Why put oil is to hold water within the meat, not to escape out. Start with squeeze lemon juice into the meat or ribs. That will remove the smell from meat. Little black pepper powder, about 1 or 2 teaspoons. Then add white pepper powder. We use freshly ground pepper because it will maintain its strength. Grinding pepper. Now add cinnamon powder, about 1 teaspoon. Sprinkle the cinnamon powder on top of the meat. Make sure to apply spices on both sides of the ribs. Now scrape or grind garlic onto the meat. This process will freshly grind garlic as a paste onto meat. Add sprinkle pinch of salt according to your taste. Apply on both sides. Barbecue sauce powder, or we call barbecue powder, sprinkle on top and apply them evenly. And add a little oil on top of them. As I said before, this oil will retain the moisture within the meat. Apply on both sides properly. The seasoning process is over. You can cover it with a skin and keep it for more than 5 hours, or you can keep even 12 hours. After seasoning, place it in the refrigerator. Wrap it with the skin as shown here, so that the spices, moisture all retain inside, and then place it in the normal compartment in the refrigerator. You can take it out after 5 hours or even 12 hours or 18 hours. Now that's the meat after seasoning. We season it for about 18 hours, but you can season it even up to 12 hours. Seasoned ribs looks like this. Place a frying pan on the stove. Add oil.
Then put this one inside.
And add the seasoned meat ribs. To be healthy, you can use corn oil, but we use mustard oil. That is healthy. Cover the pan. Those are the ribs cooking. Topple upside down for even cooking. After 15 minutes, that's the fried or cooked ribs. Cut the onion or cut into cubes about 1 cm.
This is celery leaves.
And the celery leaves
Yeah.
also cut like
Yeah.
this.
Tomato.
Cut a tomato. Two cloves of garlic peeled. Put the frying pan on stove,
Onion.
add oil and add already cut onions. Stir. Add pepper powder. Stir. Now add tomatoes. Stir. Mix. Then add celery leaves. Add some white pepper powder.
Cinnamon powder.
Then add cinnamon powder, about half teaspoon. Stir. Now add already cooked ribs. This process of cooking with onions, celery leaves and tomato makes the meat tender. Then cover. Otherwise, the meat has to be cooked a longer time. Now the cooking goes on like this.
You can turn.
It has been cooking for about half an hour now. Now it looks like this.
Then after this,
This gravy, how it?
gravy. We'll put this.
Did you add water here?
Little water.
Oh, you added little water.
Little water. Little only, not too much. Because the meat inside has water. They will come down. Put the oil.
Now you have put oil.
Yeah, just now from here. They do again like this.
Put oil into another non-stick pan
Yeah.
and place all the cooked meat from this previous pan into the next pan. Now add barbecue sauce.
Barbecue
Now
sauce.
the barbecue sauce is added. Just brush it onto the meat. Turn ribs upside down. Apply the barbecue sauce again on the other side. Now cover it.
separate a little.
The
Regular.
ribs barbecue already completed cooking. Place it on a plate. Sprinkle some coriander leaves already cut,
Ready.
and that's the completed ribs barbecue. Squeeze a lemon, half lemon onto the barbecue. That is the completed dish. Rib barbecue.